In this presentation, you'll be introduced to the building blocks of the enrollment process, including understanding course codes and credits, interpreting course timetables, and searching course descriptions.
Before you enroll, you need to know what courses are being offered and when. This information can be found on the current student's website. Located below the Courses and Enrollment heading, you will find a Search for Courses link. In a later presentation, we will demonstrate more specifically how to navigate this website. As you search for courses in the timetable, you will find the following information: course codes, course titles, course descriptions, what term the course is being offered, the format of the course, such as a lecture, tutorial, or practicum, and what days and times the course is being offered. It is important to understand course codes to ensure that you add and/or drop the correct course. Below is a typical course made up of numbers and letters, SC Nats 1720 6.00. Now let's break that down. The first two letters represent the faculty offering the course. In this case, it's the Faculty of Science. The second acronym refers to the subject being offered. For example, NATS equals Natural Science. Each course is identified by using a 4-digit number, where the first digit number indicates the level of the course. For example, SC Nat 1720 is a 1000 level course. Similarly, APHIST 3200 is a 3000 level course in the Faculty of Liberal Arts and Professional Studies, and the course referred to is History. Following the course number is the credit value. All courses at York have a specific credit value. In this case, Nat 1720 is a 6-credit course. In a later presentation, we will explain how credits work more fully. Following the course code, you will find the course title. For example, the course title for Nat 1720 is Light and Sound. Next to the course title, there is a link to the Fall-Winter course schedule. When you click on this link, you will be directed to a detailed description of the course and when it is offered. The course description provides a brief summary of the course content, including the major themes and topics covered. It also provides information on the following: cross-listed courses, prerequisites, co-requisites, course notes, course credit exclusions, and course substitutes. Now, let's discuss study terms. At York, terms designate the time period when classes are offered during an academic year. The terms in which students take courses include the fall term, represented by the letter F, the winter term, represented by the letter W, and the year term, represented by the letter Y. There are also terms during summer months. When you are searching for courses, you will notice that they are offered in different formats. For example, a lecture is regularly scheduled class time when everyone enrolled in the course attends. Lectures are delivered by a professor. A tutorial is regularly scheduled class time when a smaller breakout group of students can discuss material from the lecture in a more informal setting. For a complete list of course timetable abbreviations, navigate towards the York University homepage. Once here, select Current Students at the top of the page. Then, under Courses and Enrollment, select Enrollment and Registration Guide. Once on this page, under Important Enrollment-Related Information, select York University Course Timetable Abbreviations. You will also notice that courses run on different days of the week. For example, M represents Monday, whereas R represents Thursdays. If you see a course listed as TR, this means your course will be held on both Tuesdays and Thursdays. After you have determined the day or days that a course is offered, you will need to know the start time of the course. York uses a 24-hour clock to identify the start time of the course. For example, 13:30 is really 1:30 p.m. After the start time, you will see the duration of the course in minutes. For example, SC Nats 1720 is a 6-credit course that runs every Wednesday at 14:30 or 2:30 p.m., and it will run for 120 minutes, or 2 hours.
You should now understand the basic building blocks of enrolling in courses. Before moving on, please complete the quiz associated with this presentation.